Hi there, welcome to Strugglebus Adventures. My name is Jasper, and thanks for checking in for your weekly dose of thalassophobia. It's Subnautica. So today we are going to go back to the inactive lava zone. We got a couple of power cells that boosted our energy right up. We got a sonar upgrade. Why is my submarine moving? Oh, weird. Anyways, I do want to build a bump it into this. Okay. I kind of want to make a fabricator
Welcome aboard, Captain.
for inside the Cyclops. Oh, and we're gonna need to bring... Let's not forget to bring the prawn suit. Oh, we have a bunch of kyanite in here. Let's offload some of this. So last time we upgraded the depth modules on the prawn suit and the Cyclops, so now they can both go to 1700 meters, which is as low as we can go in any vehicle.
Welcome aboard, Captain. All systems online.
I want to build... build one of these. That'll be useful. I think we're ready to go. So I want to go to... There is a blood kelp trench. Oh, there it is. That one. I want to go to that one.
Engine powering up.
We have the sonar upgrade. So I'm hoping that with that we can figure our way out in the trench. Okay, the sonar is pretty cool. Can't tell if this is promising or not. I don't think it is. I don't think we're far enough down. We're gonna get wedged. Come on. Oh no, are we actually wedged? Shit. I think I've wedged myself in here. Oh man, this is stupid. Okay. Let's see what I can do to get this out. There we go. There. Aha. This looks promising. Yeah, look at that. I would not find this without the sonar. Like, you can't even see down here without the sonar. Sonar does use a lot of batteries, though. So we will have to turn that off once we get somewhere where we can see. What the? We have sea treaders. Here we go. There's a baby one, and I want to go see him. Wait, how did we get that turned around? Where are we? Thought we could maybe scan the little one, but... Where are we? I'm so confused. Like, where is this? I don't understand. I guess we'll just go back in here. Is that a ghost ray? Oh, come on.
Attack deploying.
What the fuck? Where are we? Well, we're in the Lost River. Ah, fuck off. Where are we? You know, if I had gone through the bulb zone, despite it having to drive for like
Attack deploying.
2 kilometers, what's that? Hello?
Engine powering down.
Hang on. For you. Orange tablet. Please tell me I brought that with me. I think there's one in my Cyclops. Orange tablet. Okay. What are you? These fossils likely came from the ancient ancestors of the leviathans which inhabit the planet today. The relative size and delicacy of the bones suggests they formed part of the ear canal or some other complex internal structure. This is part of an ear canal? How big were they? Jeepers. Local plants being held in stasis. The aliens evidently sought an extensive knowledge of the planet's ecosystem, which would have been necessary to support any live specimen resource. Research. Research? A large laboratory table and accompanying scanners incorporate technologies far beyond our current level of understanding. Hypothesis. Equipment maintenance, staff maintenance, specimen analysis, specimen gene manipulation. Okay, another cuttlefish egg. We'll take him. And we'll take some ion cubes. Well, we found something. Oh, hey, a data download.
Integrating new PDA data.
Extensive alien research data on local fauna with a special focus on the reproductive methods. 4 conclusions have been synthesized. The aliens discovered the life forms on the planet have just one sex. They observed local organisms engaging in asexual reproduction. All healthy individuals tested were capable of egg laying. Eggs usually required genetic material from another of the species. In rare case, only one parent was required, with evolutionary mutation introduced by the effects of the environment itself. Research appears to have been focused around hatching conditions and genetic variations between parent and child. Alrighty. I think that's it for in here. Alien sensor. The prominence and facing of these alien devices suggests they are some kind of probe or sensor. Their subject would seem to be the vast skeleton in the center of the cavern. The attached cable network may lead to a remote power station or data hub. Assessment investigate. Ancient skeleton. Ancient fossilized skeleton. Skeleton of a million-year-old armored carnivore. Projections suggest this life form would have been larger than any living creature encountered on the planet. The oceans of the time would have been very different to support life forms of this size, with more open geography and many more individuals in the Leviathan range. Alright.
Engine powering up.
Hi. Please go away. Oh. It's the cove tree. Well, there's a way. There's a way to the lava zone here, actually. Okay. Let's get us into the lava zone. This has been a hassle. It's taken me 45 minutes to get here, for reference. I usually record for 45 minutes. So this is just very... This has been a time. This is like not rendering in properly. Why is the UI doing this? This is the lava corridor, I think. Trying to use the sonar sparingly because we only have 30% battery. We have a couple power cells left, but Lights do not really help down here, do they? Okay, so there's a corridor that attaches to here. That should take us to the primary containment facility.
Engine powering down.
Yeah, I should do some scouting. My god, these are at 0 already. I'm gonna pull... but still have power out. In case, we have any of those leeches. Do a little wander. Maybe... bet you there's a friggin' hole in the ground that... Remember last episode when we got kind of... or not last episode, the episode before last episode. We got kind of... Here! I bet you this is it. We're right on top of it. Oh, yeah, this is it, alright. Alright, we want to come down here. We're right on top of it. You know what would have been smart is to make a thermal reactor for this thing. Oh, oops. I wonder what it would take to make that. Bunch of stuff that we don't have down here, unfortunately. Oh well. Let's just see how far we can get. Let's go and kill these dudes first.
Welcome aboard, Captain. All systems online. Engine powering up.
I mean, if we run out of power, we know where there's a portal through the castle there. So we can always just go back through there to get more power. Now we're in the active lava zone. I think. Looks pretty active to me. What are you shooting at, dude? There's a thing down here. Whoa.
I am what you seek. Want to help you.
Alright, yeah, I want help. Help would be great, actually. So maybe this is the primary containment facility?
Deploying decoy. Engine powering down.
Shut off all the lights so that this guy leaves us alone. Oh. Stop bonking my... I hope he leaves my Cyclops alone. Oops. Oh, we need a blue one. Here, blue one's in, Please go away. Blue tablet? Bring purple tablet with us too. All right. Let's see what we've got here. Ooh. Cool.
Translating local alien broadcast. Warning, vaccine development program terminated. Emperor egg hatching project terminated. Live specimens terminated. Evacuate immediately.
I think that has to do with what happened at their place.
Integrating new PDA data.
Enzyme 42 project data. According to translated data logs, an indigenous Leviathan species was found to produce a unique substance referred to as enzyme 42, which inhibited the symptoms of the Car bacterial infection in other indigenous organisms. The specimen was captured and contained in a purpose-built habitat for further study. The alien researchers went to great lengths to provide for the life form's environmental needs, including the import of interdevelopment flora and fauna via an on-site warp gate. However, its health quickly deteriorated. When the quarantine was imposed, all warp gates and force fields were sealed. All attempts to develop the enzyme into a vaccine have been unsuccessful. But it's a lead. What's this way? We got some preserved fetus. Sea Emperor fetus. Found preserved in a display case, it was likely a child of the adult specimen contained within the facility. Physiology. Superficial damage to the specimen indicates it was artificially removed from its egg casing. Stunted tissue development suggests the organism expired during the removal process. Tissue samples have been taken from the digestive tract. Analysis. It appears the aliens were attempting to formulate a cure for the bacterium from enzymes produced in the specimen's digestive system. Without a young, healthy specimen, these efforts were in vain. I don't know what that explosion was. That's the egg, I guess. Oh, this is where we came up from. Okay. Well, it's alien object. Alien building block. This rock-like object features organic as well as mechanical parts, and there is some genetic and technological crossover with the design of the self-warping constructs encountered elsewhere. It appears to serve no purpose in its current state and is awaiting some kind of activation sequence. Materials such as this may have been a fundamental building block of the aliens' technology, or even of the aliens themselves. Crescent artifact. Tracking implant. This construct is emitting a high bandwidth signal consistent with alien transmissions intercepted elsewhere. DNA on the exterior indicates it was once implanted inside one of the life forms indigenous to 4546b, its size suggesting that the subject was a Leviathan-class organism. Beyond tracking and broadcasting its location, the implant may also have recorded biological data on the subject, however, this data cannot be retrieved. Unusual box. Organic matter particulator. This device contains a highly unstable radioactive isotope, likely to destroy all organisms exposed to it while leaving physical structures intact. Although it would function perfectly well as a weapon, it was more likely used to sterilize spaces for later inhabitation. Without instructions, it would be unwise to interact with it. Yeah, no kidding. Empty case. Nanobots. Scans show some form of advanced nanobot inside this seemingly empty case. These bots are substantially smaller than any developed within the Federation, and it is not possible to ascertain their exact function. It would, however, be unwise to release them. Yeah. Alien technology. Translation device. This device stores linguistic data from over 1,000 different languages. The core of the device may allow alien text to be read and translated. Analysis of the onboard data reveals a number of ancient Earth languages, and the term CHBC Live appears many times in the device's data. Its import is unclear. The device seems to be configured to translate into the designer's language. It will not work the other way around. Oh, we got our little friends! Oh my god, they're cute! I freaking love them. Look at this. They got little eyes. He's just like spinning around and having a good time. Jesus. I don't know what that's all about. What do we need to get in here? Oh, we need another blue tablet. Wonder what we need to build a blue tablet. Well, let's go check out the rest of this place first. Oh, we have one of these. Do I have any iron cubes? No. Okay. We have some in the boat, though, so... let's go check out these other doors. Hello.
This room appears to be a biological archive storing more than 40 indigenous egg specimens in different states of development.
Huh. Egg room. Ooh, we have something to download.
Integrating new PDA data.
See Emperor Leviathan research data. Specimen size categories have been adjusted upward to accommodate the species. Feeding and digestion. Alien research data indicates that despite its size, this species feeds entirely on microorganisms and filters from the water, which themselves depend on a complicated ecosystem of plant and animal life. Reproduction. Large ovary-like organs are carried in the creature's middle section, suggesting that, like other species on this planet, it produces eggs. However, internal scar tissue indicates probable infertility. Enzyme 42. The Emperor manufactures enzyme 42 with its stomach cavity to break down its food and will occasionally expel it into the surrounding waters. This substance was found to neutralize the effects of the bacterium, and its presence in the ecosystem today would explain how life on the planet survived the outbreak. It would remain to be explained by what mechanism the enzyme is being delivered. Health. Comparative analysis of size and metabolic rates indicates the specimen captured by the researchers was approximately 1,600 years old. Extensive internal and external scar tissue suggests it had lived well in excess of the peak lifespan for its species. Assessment. While a healthy emperor specimen may have held some potential as a cure, it is unlikely any research subjects survived quarantine procedures. Water.
Vital signs stabilizing.
What's behind door number 3? Oh, we've got another portal. Okay. So we have egg room, 2 portals that aren't activated. Oh, and there's more doors over here. Another portal. I don't know where all these go. Hello. There's some plants. There's a water slide. Hell yeah. Peepers entering the containment facility. The pipes drawing water into the containment facility are filled with peepers arriving from the surface. The fish show no signs of distress. The specimens scanned have all consumed high quantities of seeds and organic matter from the surface. Some specimens are beginning to show signs of infection. Okay. Right, so the peepers travel through the vents. So I guess this is where that is. Got some download data.
Integrating new PDA data.
Ventilation control. Water flowing to and from the primary containment facility is being automatically controlled independently of other safeguards. Data on the water composition has been recorded. Inflow. Water is being drawn from different biomes around the surface of the planet. The water temperature is considerably lower than the volcanic environment outside the facility, while microorganism and nutrient counts are substantially higher. Outflow. Oxygen-deprived water is being flooded from the system and recycled back to the surface. Okay. Down here. Oh, this just goes down to the bottom, I think. Man, that looks like a killer water slide. A Peeper water slide. Alright, let's head back up. Peeper water slide. I want to call the episode Peeper water slide, but like, I feel like that's not descriptive enough. Okay, let's go look at the last door. I think it's this one. Let me guess. Another portal. Yeah, another portal. Okay, so we need 4 ion cubes to open these portals. Also a blue tablet to open that thing. Oh, hey, we got more cases. Strange carving. Alien carving. This carving is hundreds of thousands of years old and made from an unrecognizable plant fiber grown on an unknown planet. It bears striking resemblance to the old Earth yin-yang symbol. 2 competing theories may explain the similarity. 1. Aliens visited Earth prior to the 4th century BC and influenced the development of ancient Chinese philosophy. The concept of yin and yang is universal, since yin and yang describes the fundamental interdependency of seemingly opposite forces. It may be a necessary existential understanding, in some form, in all sufficiently developed civilizations. The tapering of 2 circles, union, into opposed and infinitesimally small points, the finite, is one logical way to represent this understanding, and may have been developed independently by species other than humans. Ancient blade. An ancient earth blade dating back to the 13th century. Blood samples on the blade match DNA of 7 separate heads of state from the period. This evidence supports the theory that aliens are an ancient spaceborne civilization engaged in the surreptitious study of less developed species. Okay. Alien statue. This artifact is unpowered, suggesting it served a ceremonial rather than practical purpose. The pyramid resembles vines spiraling upwards toward the warm blue stone mounted above it. It may represent a plant found on the aliens' homeworld, a building of religious import, or even the gravitational pull of their home solar system. Circular object. This device contains network apparatus and a holographic projection unit. It was likely used as a communications relay, capturing and projecting the image of the user to a remote location. There do not appear to be any other devices in range. Rudimentary tablet. This device shares many similarities with the tablets used to access the alien facilities, although its structure is rather less complex. It may have served a similar purpose, granting security access and storing relevant data, and was thus kept here as a form of legacy support. Cool. Alright, I want to see what we need for the blue tablet. Oh, an ion cube and kyanite. That's stuff we can find down here. Alright, so we've been going for a while, so I think that's going to be it for this episode. Ion cube fabricator. Ooh. Hang on. This device appears to be the origin of the raw mineral that forms the base of the ion cubes, which power smaller alien systems. Likely drawing power itself from the main thermal plant, this energy may represent an almost limitless source of energy. Cool. Alright, so we've been going okay, calm down. We've been going for a while, so I think that'll be the end of this episode. Next episode, we will grab some ion cubes, and we will make a blue tablet, and we will see where all these portals go and see what's beyond that force field. So, for now, have a good week. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.